Okay, let's do a quick unboxing of this Fujifilm X-E3 camera with the kit lens, which is the 18 to 55mm 2.8 to 4. Let's have a look. It's a stabilized lens as well, which will be useful since you don't get in-body stabilization with the camera. Little thing talking about how to... Oh, it's just the warranty stuff. A manual, lovely, on a CD, but I can't put anything in. Don't have a CD player on a PC anymore. Talks about batteries. Oh, you do get a battery charger supplied with it. Well, quite a hefty manual inside the box. And that is all in English, so it is. I was expecting to see it in German and everything and all the different languages and only be like a tiny bit in English, but no, that is the full thing. What else have we got here? So we've got a nice idea having the QR codes to take you to the manuals or the camera remote. So that's the app that you can use to control the camera over Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Right, the camera itself. The grip feels a little bit plasticky. It's slightly rubberized. Everything else feels solid. Q button quite near the thumb, but doesn't feel like I can click on that by accident, unlike I think it's the T3. Little joystick to control the menus and the touchscreen, and a battery compartment where the SD card, single SD card lives. Okay. Focus selection on the front there. There's no built-in flash, but hopefully there is a clip-on flash in the box, so we'll see that in a second. Okay, so we'll put that out of the way. Ah, that's the clip-on flash. So you press that in to release it. There we go. So it's a shame it's not built in, but then it does cut down on the dimensions of the camera. And it's something that I could probably do without having. I can compromise and not have that built in. Right, that must be the lens. But what's down here? Do get a charger. Now, I believe it does charge off of USB connection. So there's in the side here. Oh, that's neat. You've got the 2.5mm headphone jack, the micro or mini HDMI, and micro USB. And I believe that it will charge off of USB, which is kind of handy if you've got a power bank with you and you're out and about. You can charge the camera up from the power bank, which would be quite good. So yeah, charger. What have we got here? Not sure what, oh, these are little clips and catches for things. Battery. I believe this is quite standard across the Fuji range, so easy to get third-party batteries or chargers as well. So the tiny, light, so that's good. Maybe have a couple in your bag. A plug for the charger, a standard sort of 8-loop design there. the strap, which is like a kind of leather strap there, and Euro plug adapter. Okay, so we'll put that out the way. There we go. Let's take a look at the lens. Specs for the lens there. Now I chose this because the lens is pretty decent for a kit lens. Some of the Fuji cameras come with one that's not as good, but this was a bit of a bargain. I picked this camera up for £650, which I thought was pretty good when it included this lens. Now this lens is quite heavy. Sorry about the rustling. Quite heavy compared to the body, but it's some decent glass. Relatively fast lens, decent zoom. And that'll look really nice on the camera itself. If we look at how the two look there, I mean, it adds some bulk to the camera, but I mean, this feels really light at, was it 350-ish grams? And then this will add some heft to the front of it. But even so, it's not a massive camera, and compared to my SLR, which I've got, which is 10 years old, a Nikon D5000, and that is 1.2 kilograms. So this is night and day compared to that. Got a lens hood. Great that that's included. I did wonder. And anything else? Nope, I think that's it. So things you don't get an adapter for the headphone jack. Obviously the HDMI, if you're going to use that, you'll need an adapter if you haven't got one already. Apart from that, you might want an SD card reader that can read cards at the newer speeds if you've got an older card reader. And I'll do a review of the Anker card reader that I bought, and we'll have a look at the transfer speeds on that. So yeah, just wanted to show you what was in the box. I'll do some other videos showing the quality of the video and some of the pictures that I managed to take with this. But thanks for watching, and hope this is helpful.